Hi everyone. Now I am starting with named entity recognition. Alteryx likely provides tools or integrations for identifying and categorizing named entities within text, such as people's names, organizations, locations, dates, monetary values, and more. NA helps extract structured information from unstructured text data. Then after part of speech tagger, this tool assigns parts of speech, example noun, verb, adjective, to each word in a sentence. It helps in understanding the grammatical structure of text and is useful for tasks like syntactic parsing, text analysis, and information retrieval. Then after sentiment analysis, Alteryx likely includes tools for sentiment analysis, which involves determining the sentiment or emotional tone expressed in a piece of text. Sentiment analysis tools can classify text as positive, negative, or neutral, and sometimes provide more nuanced sentiment classifications. Then after text classification, Alteryx offers tools for text classification, allowing users to categorize text documents into predefined categories or classes. Text classification is commonly used for tasks such as document categorization, spam detection, sentiment analysis, and more. Then after text pre-processing, Alteryx provides various tools for pre-processing text data before analysis. This may include tasks such as tokenization, splitting text into individual words or tokens, removing stop words, stemming or lemmatization, and handling punctuation and capitalization. Then after text summarization, Alteryx may include tools or workflows for generating summaries of text documents. Text summarization techniques can extract the most important or relevant information from a document and present it in a concise form. Then after topic modeling, Alteryx likely supports topic modeling techniques, such as latent Dirichlet allocation, LDA, or non-negative matrix factorization, NMF, for discovering latent topics within a collection of text documents. Topic modeling helps uncover themes or topics present in large text corpora. Then after word cloud, word clouds are visual representations of text data where words are displayed in varying sizes based on their frequency or importance. Alteryx may offer tools for generating word clouds from text data, which can be useful for exploratory analysis and visualization. Then after zero-shot text classification, zero-shot text classification involves classifying text into categories that were not seen during training. Alteryx might provide tools or techniques that allow users to perform zero-shot classification tasks using pre-trained language models or other methods. Thanks for watching.